SPTA kit in today. It's $40 on Amazon. You got this air foaming gun. It's kind of like a tornado, but it shoots foam out. And really, that's all I wanted. At $40, I would have just bought the gun, but it comes with quick wax. It comes with a car shampoo. It comes with a wash mitt, Chanel wash mitt. It comes with a little nice cleaning brush. It comes with 2 microfiber towels. And it also comes with 2 nozzles. There's one on the head, on the gun, and there's one in my hand. This one sprays a wider stream, and this one is more direct. Let's check it out and see how it does. $40, guys. I'm hoping that this is something good here, because if it is, you can't beat it. The main reason I bought this tool is so I can use waterless wash that foams in it. And today I'm going to pick American Detailer Garage Fusion. I'm going to put about 3 ounces inside this. So I'm going to fill it with water and I'm ready to go. This real simple tool, you hook it up to your air compressor just like a tornado. Put your solution in the canister and get to spraying. As you can see, it makes a nice foam with the American Detailer Garage Fusion. I'm really liking this tool. If you pull it up, this little piece here, it will foam. If you push it down, it won't foam. So depending on if you want air or solution, you adjust that part. This tool is awesome. The only thing that I didn't like was I had to fill it up twice to do the whole car, but that only took me about 2 minutes for the fill, so not even a lot of time down on it. No big deal. It comes with 2 nozzle pieces, a direct foaming stream and a wider spray nozzle, so very cool. Guys, I can't stress this enough. It was super easy to use. If you want foam and you have an air compressor and you don't want to spend a lot of money, this thing was $40. You'll get a bunch of foam. You can use it all over your car. You can use it with soap or waterless wash that foams, and it just works fantastic. Check these results out. Guys, if you're liking this video, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe and like. I'm trying my best to get new tools and products. You can see different techniques. If you don't like the video, tell me why in the comments below. All right, guys, so my thoughts on the SPTA $40 foaming gun with your air compressor connected to it. Let me tell you something. This thing is bad to the bone. I mean, it just shoots out foam. Of course, I used American Detailer Garage Fusion out of it, and it just foamed up the vehicle so I could do a nice foaming waterless wash. This was cool. You just adjust this thing. This little nozzle, you push it up if you want foam, you push it down if you don't want foam. And this screws right out real easy. Plug this into the air compressor here and you pull the trigger. That's all you gotta do. Now, I'm in love with this, but the only problem with this is I had to fill this up twice. So it took about 2 minutes to fill this up again. No big deal. It would be cool if it came with a bigger tank, but it is what it is. What do you want for $40, okay? So this in itself It's worth the 40 bucks all day long, guys. It also came with 2 nozzles. I got one on the gun, one here. These work really well. This shoots a more concentrated airflow, or stream, I should say, of product on there. This one is a wider stream, as you can see the tip. You got 2 decent microfiber towels for whatever you're gonna use them for. These would not be my super high quality towels, but these are in the mid-range, so not a problem there. I'm happy to get them in the kit. The detail brush feels like some of the other ones that I have, so awesome, I'll take it. Chanel wash mitt, yes, I have some just like this. You can put your hand inside it if you want. The cup is not too big, so that's another plus. Comes with a car shampoo. I have not used this yet, so I can't tell you if it's any good or not, but it does come with shampoo, so cool, why not? Finally, it comes with a quick wax. I will tell you that this smells like gasoline or some heavy solvent, and it did give me a nice shine though, but it stinks like something very strong. It's not your normal car wax. It did not feel any slicker putting this over the regular wash, so whatever. But it was free and it came with the kit. The main thing is this baby right here. So if you get the chance, you can get this on Amazon. SPTA, this is their foaming gun. It is a good buy if you're looking to do something with, and you have an air compressor, if you're looking to do some waterless washing, you can use this on your rims, your paint, whatever you want to spray foam out of. This thing is awesome. All right, guys, I hope you liked the review. Very cool.